Next level up, Canamera smelter. And you can just see lots of fire bricks around here. See lots of granite rocks and all sorts of rocks in the foundations. There's the little smelting furnace I was looking at earlier, showing you. Let's come up here, take a look. I suspect this might have been their main smelting location. This probably was filled with bricks, fire bricks. Some interesting rocks. Look at this, how the looks like the metal has oxidized out of it and left big cracks. That's pretty cool. I might take that one. There's some ore. So, the smelter here in North Omak.